Pretty dry today, but we're expecting some big rain tomorrow.
And that could actually do some damage to some of those burn
Problems,
areas.
right, Garth?
Yeah, I think so, you guys. And I think even more so latter part of the week, but we are dealing with a little bit of flash flood watch action. So let's get to it. We got a lot to talk about. 62 degrees right now. Hope you enjoyed the weekend. You can see some of the clouds out there right now as we shoot out over the beach. So we are picking up some of the moisture out there. So the center of the low back over here we've been tracking. Here's the front in front of it. And of course the rain being swept in on the bottom edge of this stuff. Take you a little bit closer on Doppler radar. You can see light rain starting to fall right now. Some of this is virga, meaning it's not hitting the surface, but some of it is hitting the surface. Nonetheless, it's super light at this point in time, but you get up towards Santa Barbara, it's a little thicker up there. And then embedded, you can see some of these yellows. That is almost a quarter of an inch of rainfall rate an hour. That's what we're starting to watch. That's the difference of the last system we came in. This one's got a little more oomph to it, which means we could see some thunderstorm activity. That's why we're picking up those flash flood watches. If you're on the west side, down towards Rancho PV, good afternoon, Long Beach, up towards Seal Beach, you can see, or just south towards Seal Beach, the 405, Inglewood, over by the 10, Santa Monica, the South Bay, all are picking up some light rain right now. Just moving in through Inglewood over towards Culver City area. Some of this is just hitting your wake and your windshield wipers to go. It's nothing crazy yet, but it does enough to get things slick. You're getting a little heavier rain just down here by the shore and over by San Pedro and moving down into Long Beach, like I just told you, over by the 110. No watches and warnings for the LA area right now, but you get up to Ventura County, there it is. The flash flood watches from there up towards Santa Barbara. We could see rainfall rates. It could be almost 3/4 of an inch an hour, which would be pretty good if we get that. Remember, you need about a half an inch an hour to get these rainfall rates to kick these flash flood watches. That's what's going on right now. We're going to keep an eye on this. This goes through Tuesday at 2 o'clock. So I think tonight through the early morning hours, once again, a vigorous time up there. Please be vigilant. Remember, they do have voluntary evacuations up for the Ojai area right now. And then you can see by 7 o'clock tonight over by Fraser Park, Santa Barbara, up by the foothills, that's where we're starting to get a little bit heavier rain moving in through the area. Best case scenarios, we won't get any thunderstorms. It'll keep us below that rate, but they are in the area, and that's why we've got to watch for this. We can see anywhere between half an inch to an inch of rain up towards those areas, and then down for LA County, we're looking probably up to maybe a quarter to a half an inch of rain. So not so much down to the south. The bigger system rolls our way Thursday into Friday. Storm system number 2. This first one will not be much of a snowmaker. The next one will. We'll keep you updated. We'll have more checks coming up in just a little bit. Back to you guys.